I'm Cali Ryan. I am going to be a senior at Cedarville University, and at Aspect this summer I'm a graphic design intern. What drew me to graphic design was its capabilities to creatively solve problems and find solutions, and that's what Aspect does with LED lighting, and so those two main goals kind of are the same. In my first week, I've been working on product cut sheets, so taking images and refining them to fit the design of the cut sheet to make it simpler for the consumer, and then also working on a product marketing kit. So for the past few weeks, I've been designing the marketing kit to give to electricians. It's just a way for them to see a glimpse of the quality of our products. So right now, the prototype shows a flush design. We wanted to focus on the experience of opening up the boxes and seeing the products right away. So we designed that, and then I also am designing a info pamphlet for it and just the experience and look of the outside of the box. I would say the biggest challenge so far is designing for electricians and getting in that mindset of who aspectLED sells to instead of my personal aesthetic, and I think that's a big challenge of design in and of itself, so it's been cool to learn how to expand and grow in that area. The biggest takeaway I've gotten from this internship is just learning how to design in the real world. You don't get this experience through class projects, but just designing under a current brand standard is really cool, and I've learned a lot from that. aspectLED's company culture is very inviting and innovative, and I would say very collaborative. I've learned to design with feedback being a good thing.
I'm Chelsea. I'm the brand manager at aspectLED, and I had the honor of being Cali's graphic design mentor for the summer. I think the aspectLED internship program is really important because it helps give interns real-world experience and that hands-on learning. It's really important for me as a mentor of an internship to make sure that Cali had a project coming out of it that she could use for her portfolio, something that she could take on with her and show future employers of what she did here during her time.